Enter the camera name and address. Using default name, enter the Wi-Fi password. Please do not connect with the 5G. Use your camera to scan the QR code. Maintain a distance of about 4 inches until you hear the confirmation.
And this what it says.